LeBron James teams with Crypto.com. Of course he does. Crypto.com, they got cash right now. They got crypto. .com. To bring digital education to students, this multi-year partnership will include teaching blockchain technology to inner-city school children. Well, I guess LeBron's probably got some crypto kicking around at this point. Might as well get the youngsters involved, too.
Get them while they're young.
Yeah, might as well get them involved in the mix. No, but in seriousness, I know he's done stuff in the past for schools and things like that. He's involved, particularly over there in Ohio, in the Cleveland area and such, where he's from. Akron, Ohio is where he's from. Not quite Cleveland. Anyways, NBA superstar LeBron James has partnered with crypto exchange Crypto.com to support educational and workforce development opportunities focused on Web3, according to Crypto.com. There's this article on CoinDesk, obviously. Part of the program involves teaching blockchain technology to inner-city school children. Here's a quote. "I want to ensure that communities like the one I come from are not left behind," James said in a statement. "Blockchain technology is revolutionizing our economy, sports and entertainment, the art world, and how we engage with one another." There's a lot of NFT. There's a lot of phantom NFT talk in there.
Yeah.
Because sports and entertainment, NBA Top Shot.
Yep.
Art world, that's pretty obvious. Music and visual art. James's hometown, Akron Beacon Journal, says students in the I Promise program will learn about blockchain technology and related career fields from experts provided by Crypto.com. Now, this makes even more sense, this particular endorsement, because Crypto.com bought the naming rights to the Staples Center recently. They spent a lot of money on that, reportedly $700 million. And LeBron happens to be a star who spends a lot of time in that center. No longer the Staples Center, the Crypto.com Center. So they might as well keep it all connected. Many sports stars such as Steph Curry and Tom Brady have entered into sponsorship deals with crypto firms, but the partnership is believed to be James's first major deal with a crypto company. A quick crypto update in the MMA scene. There was a story recently about heavyweight champ Francis Ngannou getting half of his paycheck in crypto, if I recall correctly.
Oh, yeah?
As part of a sponsorship deal. So the crypto is heating up in the sports world.
Oh, baby.
Sports community. Can it heat up anymore? I don't know. You can't even look at that stuff, Will. That crypto stuff.
Yeah, it's too much.
They send me updates, and I'm like, I honestly laugh. I chuckle at these updates.
Who sends you updates?
Who is sending you updates?
I don't know, Coinbase or whoever. I'm getting updates, whatever apps I have and different things that I follow, Twitter accounts, whatever. I get an update, and it would say,
You're missing out.
No, that's not what I laugh at. I laugh at the ping pong aspect of it. They would go, it would be trying to get you motivated. It'd be like, this currency is up this much.
All right, with the green arrow.
You know what I would say?
Yeah.
What I'm saying? And then it would be like, this one is down this much.
Yeah.
And it's like, it's like, ooh. I can see them trying to play with my feelings, but it's not really working because I'm really not that connected to it.
They're like, damn it.
You know what I mean? I'm not really that into it.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of funny. I chuckle at it as I see them trying to persuade me into certain actions and activities.